Hey, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Bitcoin right now is at a critical level. The RSI is oversold and the RSI is trending up. We have support, we have resistance, we have fundamental news stories that will influence the price of everything. This is what we're talking about in today's video. Subscribe if you're new. We drop one video every day, keeping you informed, going over news, opinion, perspective. That's exactly what we're doing today. Let's get started. Bitcoin's RSI is oversold and ticking up. Generally a good sign. However, there are some things we need to take note of. The resistance at $43,000 to $45,000. The support level at $34,000 to $36,000. And then the pivot point, about $39,000, $40,000. The TLDR is this: if Bitcoin fails to break above $39,000, $40,000, we could fall down to support, $34,000 to $36,000. If we can maintain above $40,000, whenever that happens, we have some resistance at $43,000 to $45,000. This is what that looks like on the price chart. We need to maintain this yellow line or hopefully break above it, and then we need to break above $45,000. If not, very possible we fall to $34,000 to $36,000. Yet I still remain extremely bullish. Let me tell you why. As Bitcoin edges towards its support at $34,000 to $36,000, more is being bought with the sideline stablecoin supply. This, as in stablecoin supply ratio oscillator, this has served as a strong bottom indicator in the past, and it's pointing to a bottom. Again, I believe Bitcoin is in accumulation. I believe Bitcoin has loads of upside ahead of it. I believe cryptocurrency is a nascent industry with loads of upside ahead of it, because people continue to see Bitcoin being battle tested and understanding that Bitcoin's here to stay. And they see this. They see Visa and American Express and MasterCard and even Netflix suspending operations in Russia as part of sanctions over Ukraine. They see people censoring the Russians, Coinbase blocking 25,000 addresses linked to illicit Russian activity. They see all this suspension and censorship. And I believe more and more people are going to start realizing we need censorship-resistant, permissionless alternatives. And of course, Bitcoin is the number one. People are understanding that the energy FUD normally attributed to Bitcoin pales in comparison to other industries. Clothes dryers use more energy than Bitcoin. Clothes dryers. Data centers, air conditioners, marine transport sector, aviation industry, the global banking system, and gold all use more energy or have greater carbon emissions than Bitcoin. People don't know this. People are starting to learn this. And once again, if you want 10% off to Bitcoin Miami 2022, 10% off, use our code Altcoin Daily. We will be there. So many people will be there. Hope to see you there. 10% off Altcoin Daily. Let me know if you're going. The only thing that makes me nervous in the short term is this: Biden set to sign an executive order this week outlining the government's crypto strategy. I'm curious to know your thoughts. What do you think he'll say? Because honestly, you can make a case for either way. You can make a case that this would be good for crypto. I think generally smart regulations are good for crypto, and Biden's number 2 biggest donor is Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX Exchange. Or because we know Joe Biden runs in the same circles as Hillary Clinton or Elizabeth Warren, is this going to be a major crackdown? This is what I'm most unsure about in the short term. However, I remain long-term bullish for all the reasons we went over. I'm long-term bullish on cryptocurrency as an industry. Ethereum, Cardano, these are not going away. They're only getting better, like so much of cryptocurrency. The news for Ethereum in this case is this: Ethereum NFT platform Immutable, so this has to do with a layer 2 on Ethereum, IMX, Immutable X, closes a $200 million raise. The firm plans to use the fresh capital to hire over 200 new employees and expand across all verticals over the next year. So, what exactly is Immutable X? Immutable the company, their flagship product is Immutable X. This is the ETH Layer 2, an Ethereum-based Layer 2 scaling protocol for NFTs for gaming. Immutable X leverages Starkware's ZK rollup solution, StarkX. It provides a high transaction throughput environment with zero gas fees, instant trade confirmations, and instant withdrawals to Ethereum without sacrificing security. The team also developed some of crypto's most popular play-to-earn games, Gods Unchained, Guild of Guardians, and of course Immutable and Immutable X. They're working with GameStop, TikTok, OpenSea, and Illuvium. So, for those always asking, what are the quality ETH Layer 2s? Immutable X is one of them, and this is great for Ethereum and great for the Layer 2 ecosystem in general, including the users. Next story. Let's talk about why Cardano holders are looking forward to March 17th. If you hold Cardano, you ought to know what's going on. First of all, let me just catch everybody up. Project Catalyst is Cardano's well-funded treasury. Project Catalyst is a quarterly innovation fund campaign initiative used to support projects proposed by developers. So Cardano projects, every quarter, they release more money out of the Catalyst Fund, the treasury, to fund some more building. Last quarter, it was fund number 7 and have since seen 269 projects funded with $8 million. This date, March 7th, we will see $16 million issued to Fund 8, so double. And since its inception, Project Catalyst has been doubling its funding every quarter, making it the world's largest decentralized innovation fund. So, so many of these projects are so well funded, they're going to continue to build. Doesn't really matter if the price is fluctuating or going up and down. Many of these projects can last for years. And in other news, we continue to see huge legacy brands continuing to try and get in, slowly but surely, dipping their toes into the water. CVS Trademark filing hints at Metaverse pharmacy plans. Pharmacy chain CVS is filing trademarks for use in virtual worlds, including the launch of crypto collectibles and non-fungible tokens. Attention crypto holders, attention crypto traders. Do you invest in crypto? Do you trade crypto? If yes, I have a major opportunity that I need to clue you into. Most people in crypto do not know that they can take advantage of this. You should be investing, you should be trading with Choice IRA app, a retirement account. Trade, invest with Choice, and you pay zero capital gains tax. They offer thousands of traditional assets and tons of crypto assets. You can buy crypto with Choice. You can trade crypto with Choice. These guys are a proud sponsor of our channel. You could hold your own keys if you want. Their fees are low and highly competitive. The bottom line is, if you think your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack in the Choice app so you won't have to pay any capital gains tax? Your future self will thank you. Take advantage of this. Use our link and receive $50 in free Bitcoin when you set up an account. Take advantage of this. Let me know if you did. In addition, because again, I want to point out that so much building and expanding is going on, cryptocurrency exchange FTX announces expansion into Europe. Following approval from the financial regulator in Cyprus, the cryptocurrency exchange FTX will now be able to service European customers. You can see where the future is trending. Let me know your thoughts to all of this in the comments section below. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. See you tomorrow.